How to fix Facebook video no sound issue. So the first step is by opening your settings app and then scroll down until you can see general. Go ahead on general and click on iPhone storage. Once you are in iPhone storage, make sure to scroll down and look for Facebook. If you're having a hard time looking for Facebook, make sure to click on this search icon found on the upper right corner of the screen. Type in Facebook and make sure to click on Facebook. Now click on Offload App right here and click on Offload App once again. Then wait for it to load, and once it is done loading, you should click on Reinstall App right here. Wait for it to load once again, and once you have reinstalled the app, you may now go back to that video and make sure that it um, has a sound right now. However, if it still doesn't work, then make sure to delete the app and reinstall the app from your app store. So that's it. That's how you can fix Facebook video no sound issue.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.